3, 2, 1.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Brandon Flash.
And Bri Flasch! Welcome to my channel! Welcome back to the channel!
Today we're gonna be pranking my sister's friend Cherokee. We're gonna be using the emissions testing mode in my Tesla to keep farting. Let's see how he reacts to farting. I'm gonna put it on his seat.
You find the little cadences that it works in between the beats. So I was impressed.
Thanks.
It's a little. Why are you making me fart?
Wait, what?
There's a whoopee cushion thing.
That's awkward.
Wait,
Excuse
what?
me, I had some dairy last night.
Are you lactose intolerant? Are you sure it's not the coffee?
It just has coffee milk, actually.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Wait, what? What are you guys talking about?
I swear Cherokee just farted.
That wasn't me, I promise you.
Have you smelled it? Dealt it?
I literally smell it.
Really, I can't smell it back here. It must have get you went up.
Yo, I'm sorry. I'm really sorry.
I mean, if it's the coffee, it's fine. Just be honest.
Just like fess up, bro.
Okay, I promise next time. I'll just make sure I watch what I eat.
Thank you. It's kind of awkward now.
It's only awkward because you're making it awkward. Look at that Minnesota.
Look, don't think you can just change the topic.
Look at that Minnesota, though.
It's so terrible.
Bro.
It's squeezing the emotion out of me.
Awkward silence!
Family Dollar.
Why are you trying to like change the subject?
Because there's buildings that have been there for years that are burned.
And you just farted in a Tesla. Like,
Why didn't they burn down that building at the least? That building is
why
just
did you
there.
fart in a Tesla?
Oh, look at this, they're painting.
Why are you trying to change the subject?
Is it cute?
Is it gonna cost me money every time I fart in
Yeah, Venmo
a cleaning
request.
fee?
Cleaning fee. Yeah, this is an Uber actually.
Imagine farting in a Tesla while the whole world is burning down around you. Was it a metaphor for white privilege?
White passing.
What are you guys laughing at?
Your
Stop.
your bowel movement.
Do you have like that one thing where irritable bowel syndrome?
Yeah, we have
IBS?
I thought you were healthier than this. This is really making me question.
Are you doing a cleanse right now? Like, I'm actually just wondering. Like, this is kind of concerning. Dude, what? This isn't a joke, right? I'm confused. You're actually doing that.
Are you making a fake farting noise? I'm really confused.
Is it on your phone?
Why is this happening?
What?
You guys need to stop making me laugh. It's gonna keep coming.
Is this like an app on your phone? I'm confused.
What are you doing?
What the fuck?
Okay, so they're fake. So how are you doing
How
this?
are
You have like a Bluetooth speaker?
You're kidding me.
What?
You're joking, right?
No.
Both of you. Yes, you are. Stop.
What?
Stop being so serious. Losing your acting face.
I'm confused.
Are you serious?
Yes. Wow.
There's a farting. I'm farting. Yeah, I am. Sorry. That's what it is. Yes.
We literally like we're trying to enjoy this conversation and you just start farting like it's nothing.
You can see my hands.
How does your hands have anything to do with if you farted or not? A fart comes out of your butt, not your hands.
You could. He's probably sitting on a speaker. Can you like sit up a second?
Yeah.
Excuse me. So you know I'm really healthy because my farts don't smell.
Alright. Is it in his bag? Wait.
Where
You're
is this
serious?
coming from?
Yes.
Yes. Bro!
I'm sorry. It's just, there's a really bad itch and it's the only way I can get to it.
No, he just has clothing in his bag. There's no more.
Just give it to me. I'm so sorry.
I'm really confused.
Brandon, can you like let me out? I need to go home.
Are you doing this?
No.
What the hell?
I'm sorry. I'm
How
sorry.
are you doing this? So it's fake, right?
It's fake.
Yo, I'm not feeling good. Oh, this coffee. Did you what kind of milk did you get in this?
Coconut.
Do you know what kind of brand it had? Like what kind of?
Do you
oh
have,
God,
like-
I'm feeling something.
Yeah, some like bowel problems with a certain.
Feeling
I think it's silk. Yeah.
Looks.
Dude, what?
I can't.
How are you doing this? Do you have like your thing in your hand?
No.
What?
Wait. Let me just. Okay.
This literally smells so bad.
I'm gonna need to roll down the
What are you
window.
talking about? Are you serious? Why does it smell that bad? I didn't think it smelled that bad.
It smells like you have a diaper on and you took a diarrhea in it.
Man, I knew I shouldn't have wore this underwear.
Is it cotton?
The cotton polyester blend. All right.
What? Be honest, how are you doing this? Are these the pants that have all the pockets or no?
Those are the pants that
No.
Bri gave you and you're taking a shit in them?
These are the ones I bought.
Imagine going on a date and then you fart like this.
Yo, really, this coffee is doing something else. I think. Do you have a cup holder up there? Like.
Yeah, you needed it taken away from you.
That first
Yeah.
sip feeling.
Oh God. Yeah, I get the. Oh.
Is that first sip feeling?
I knew I shouldn't. Just kept it going.
Is it under that shirt? It's kind of big.
Did you just try and frisk me? Keep your grubby hands off me, you old lady. Trying to feel me up because I'm young. Fucking pedophile.
Sorry, you're a little old for me, Mr. Farty Pants. Us the other day. Jokes aren't funny.
Have you guys ever seen Spike Lee's the Inside
I'm
Man?
confused. So, are you like acting right now? Is there a thing here?
No, there's
You can-
nothing. He's literally actually farting. Like, this is not like a joke.
Where are we
'cause
shooting
he's
this?
Literally farting.
A powder horn.
Like, there's no thing. I checked. He like.
Can you sit up a little bit? I see you're not wearing a seatbelt. Did you take your seatbelt off because you like need to like? Is this your house? Or no, this is?
Yeah, look at that fence.
Where would you recommend parking for powder horn?
If you take
Just-
a right.
This guy keeps farting in our car.
I can't stop.
Hey!
Turn.
Hey, if you're on a date and some guy keeps farting,
a-
what would you do?
A father and son trying to have some fun.
Yeah, well, we were just trying to have some fun until you started farting.
Does it smell? Kiddas, come over here. Come here, smell this. Smell this. Come here, smell this. Smell this.
Yeah, I want to go over here. Can you park over here?
This is no. It literally says no parking.
But like on the road up there?
That's what I think about
Because
that.
we can walk down there to get to the area.
Mom always said coffee in the morning helps the
flow.
pipes get going. Yeah. It's
Wait,
you know.
what's actually going on?
He's farting.
Okay. I really thought you weren't like serious at first because I don't know because
you have
seem
trust
like
in
that.
me?
Yeah, because you're both of you are wild as fuck. But
Where
this
is
has a farting app.
Yeah, I like that you knew that from the beginning.
This Tesla has a farting app. Yeah, look at that whoopee cushion.
How do you feel about this, Cherokee?
I loved it. I
Did you feel
was so
gaslit?
happy that you and I only knew this.
We knew the whole time.
I said let's prank Cherokee.
Oh.
We were gonna say it's a fake Tesla
You guys are trying to play me, but then I started playing you.
because you actually started farting in there and we didn't know.
Yep.
So, what's your range of emotions during this?
I was
Say hi to the camera.
I was really confused. and then I thought I had the opportunity to take advantage of this situation.
Did you?
I felt like I did, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Profited off of their naiveness.
I can't.
You know what? I am gonna leave.
You're canceled. All right, DZ.